Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by getting the app and creating your profile. Install Khata Tracker, grant the required permissions, and open the app. Next, register with your phone or email and complete OTP verification so the app can save your data. Once done, enter your business name, select the currency, and set an opening balance to initialize the ledger. These steps let you immediately add transactions and keep records consistent across devices. Now you add and manage entries. Create customer and supplier profiles using phone numbers and notes to speed lookups. Tap New Transaction to record sales, purchases, payments, or receipts, assign tags, and set due dates so aging reports remain accurate. Use the recurring entry option for repeating invoices, categorize each entry for reporting, and attach receipt photos for audit trails. This organization ensures you can filter, reconcile, and export meaningful financial summaries quickly. Finish by reconciling and backing up records. Use reconciliation to match your ledger with bank statements and make correcting entries if numbers differ. Once reconciled, export CSV or PDF reports for taxes or investors, and schedule automatic backups to cloud storage to prevent data loss. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection and that app permissions are enabled, then force a sync in settings. That single troubleshooting step solves most sync and permission-related problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.